So EGU, or the European Geoscience Union, is an interdisciplinary association dedicated to Earth, geoscience and space science, basically. And it basically organizes a conference, which is called the EGU Generals Assembly once a year. And this is a place where all the professionals from around the globe get together to share their findings and to engage with each other and basically create connections. So when I received the email, it was just like EGU response as the title of the email. So I was like, okay, it's probably just telling me that thank you for applying. But then they were like, congratulations, we're happy to offer you like the artist in residence position. So, and to be honest, I didn't quite understood the magnitude of the event until I was actually there, because it was huge. It was so big, but I absolutely loved it. To be honest, being such a young scientist, as I am only an undergraduate, having so many like senior scientists, PhD, masters, people who are already like postdocs, people who have already graduated, who have like a great background, to coming to one of my sessions for a whole hour and knowing how limited the time people have in such a big conference, and just having the space to basically share everything, run a workshop, and for the room to be full, and just filling up 2 rooms, basically, one with my own session and the other one with my where I was as a guest speaker, having 2 full rooms of professional scientists, and I actually being able to share something and they finding it valuable was, I think, the biggest highlight.